Here we go. If you've ever heard of the dark web, you probably picture a bunch of hackers in dark hoodies selling illegal stuff or hiring hitmen. But the dark web is not a scary place. In fact, I wouldn't even say it is dark at all. In this video, I'll turn the lights on in the dark web and explain how it works and why you shouldn't be afraid of it. In my video about VPNs, I explained that a VPN is basically just a tunnel. You give your data to the VPN company instead of your internet service provider, and you basically just have to trust them to not log your data. But what if you don't want to trust anyone? Enter Tor. Instead of sending your traffic through one centralized server like a VPN company does, Tor bounces your connection through at least 3 random servers, run by volunteers all over the world. These are known as relays. It's called onion routing because your data is wrapped in multiple layers of encryption. Imagine putting a letter inside of a locked box, putting that box inside another locked box, and then putting that box inside a third locked box. The first server, the entry node, knows your IP address, but it can't see your data because it's encrypted. The middle node doesn't know who you are or what you're doing. It just passes the box along. The final server, the exit node, decrypts the final layer and sends your data to the website. The exit node can see what website you're going to, but has absolutely no idea who you are. This makes it practically impossible for any single person, your ISP, or the government to track your internet activity. But wait, what about browser fingerprinting? As I mentioned before, a VPN does absolutely nothing to stop websites from tracking your browser fingerprint. The Tor browser, however, does. It is specifically designed to make every single user look exactly the same. If a website tries to track you using browser fingerprint, you just blend into a crowd of millions of other Tor users. Tor can be used to access any website anonymously, but that doesn't mean the people hosting the websites themselves are anonymous. This is where onion services come in, aka the dark web. These are websites that end in .onion and can only be accessed using the Tor network. These also go through 3 hops before reaching the user, making the website hosters anonymous as well. Are there illegal things hosted there? Yeah, but most people use Tor for completely normal reasons. Journalists use it to communicate with whistleblowers safely. People in countries with authoritarian governments use it to bypass censorship and access basic news without getting arrested. And others just use it to be anonymous online. Now, there are some drawbacks. First of all, Tor is slow. Bouncing your traffic across the world 3 times takes time. You're not going to be watching 4K YouTube videos or playing competitive video games on Tor. And also, to be safest, you need to disable JavaScript, which breaks many of the normal websites you may be used to. In conclusion, Tor and the dark web are not some scary things that only exist for those YouTube video challenges. They are essential tools for online privacy and freedom of speech. If you care about not being tracked by giant corporations or mass surveillance programs by the government or other powerful actors, Tor is the actual solution, not some sketchy free VPN extension. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like my videos and want to support the channel, consider subscribing for only $3 a month at shop.kirbygang.com to get exclusive sneak peeks and watch the videos early. A special thanks to Hungry Kirby, Nora the Huntress, Kavi SSM, Corby SSM, and Liz SSM.